So wait till all the bloody chickens left. Brown boy's still down there waiting on me. Still followed me. Where did she go? There she is. She still followed me over here. Jeez. That's exactly what I'm trying to avoid. Yeah. Come, Carmel. Brown paw. I don't know why she followed me over here. Yeah, she still wants to eat. See? Why did you follow me over here? I don't see Brian, Ginger, and Puma. Oh, Puma's over on the other side as well. I'm trying to get her to follow me, but see, now she's going to chase me back across the road again. Come. She's trying to look at this road crossing as well. That lady's not coming. You better stop doing that. She just pulled my way out there. She won't come. It's her food. I just do not understand this cat. She just follows me everywhere and you won't eat each time I leave a bite for her. Go eat your food, you silly bugger. After dark, after sunset. Bloody was eating the food. My God, you're annoying. Finally, the push shows up. Gibby. Hey, Gibby. Hey, my boy. Put a lot there for you as well. That's a good boy. You just stay over here now. Don't run across the road.